Hey, what's up, eggheads? Thanks for spending time with us here at Newegg Now, where all we want to do is help put your money to the best use, getting you the most bang for your buck. If you're here now, it means you're probably looking for a gaming mouse pad. Gaming mouse pads have to be stable, anti-slip. They need to allow users precise, accurate mouse control. We want constant stability. I think I've got a product here that fits the bill. The EZDIY-FAB RGB LED gaming mouse pad. Let's get to the unboxing, or should I say, unraveling. All right, the first thing we notice about this mouse pad is that it is large. Specific dimensions for this bad boy are 31.5 inches. All right, 31.5 inches by 11.8 inches. 31.5 by 11.8. This will provide enough movement space for the mouse no matter what kind of keyboard you have. I will demonstrate. I've got a standard 104 key keyboard right here. And mouse, all right, so check it out. Both fit very comfortably. All right, so definitely enough room for any sort of gaming or professional office work. There's an anti-slip rubber base. So let's take a look under the hood. Anti-slip rubber base. All right, so remember, gaming mouse pads really need to be anti-slip. This will also be good for anyone using Photoshop or architecture software, anything that requires stability with the mouse, because there's nothing more annoying than a mouse pad that sometimes jerks around. All right, so that's the bottom. The top has an ultra smooth surface designed with super fine fiber braided material. This surface has pixel precise targeting and tracking optimized for all mouse sensitivities and sensors. All right, so the underside is providing constant stability, while the top provides that reliable navigation that we need. And of course, the 14 different lighting modes. Being able to customize the chromatic experience of your room or office certainly adds a fun touch all gamers love. It'll be a nice addition too if you already have like a colorful mouse or LED fans in your comp. It's USB powered. They provide a 1.8 meter cable. I'm going to plug that in right here. All right, check this out. We'll get a close up on that. 14 different lighting modes. They have a simple to use button here to customize the experience. So you press that and toggle between the different lighting modes. All right. Now, pro tip about this gaming mouse pad is it comes rolled up. Remember at the beginning of the video, I had it rolled up. It comes like that. So you might want to use like paperweights or something on the corners for a couple days to flatten it out. You probably noticed that the corners right now are popping upward a little bit. That's because it was rolled out for a while. It's not a defect of the mouse pad, but you might need to put something on there to weigh it down. All right, well, this definitely checks all the boxes for what a gaming mouse pad needs. It's stable, it's smooth, it's not too expensive, it's colorful. If you want your keyboard to be off of the mouse pad, this probably is not for you. It's too big. But if you want your keyboard and your mouse to be on the same surface, lit up with the same cool lights, consider the EZDIY-FAB gaming mouse pad. Make sure it's within your budget by checking the description below or following the link. Thanks so much for taking time to check this out. This has been Newegg Now, and now you know.